Come along as we explore the microscopic world with the entire family. Whether you're in a lab, a classroom, or in the comfort of your own home, let your imagination soar, especially when you think you've found a national treasure with Pluggable's Digital USB Microscope. With an easy plug-and-play experience, place anything on the observation pad and see things you've never seen before. With 2.0 megapixels and up to 250 times magnification, you'll be able to explore the world invisible to the human eye. Then, snap a photo using the capacitive capture button on the top of the microscope, even with the lightest touch. Pluggable's Digital Microscope is for students, collectors, and science enthusiasts with a passion for all things microscopic. Try it out and tell us all the cool things you can see. Works with any Windows, Mac, or Chromebook computer. Android and Linux require additional steps.
Hi, Adrian here for Kensington. You're probably familiar with trackballs, but if you're a mouse user, maybe you've been a little hesitant to try one, unsure if you'd like it or not. Well, the fact is, most people who make the switch get comfortable using their new trackball in less than a week, and enjoy it so much they say they'd never go back. Kensington has a full lineup of trackballs to fit a wide range of users, from the hyper-productive business professional to the trackball rookie looking to make a smooth transition from a mouse. A recent Kensington survey showed that the most popular reasons people preferred trackballs were for their speed and accuracy, ergonomic comfort, and their space-saving ability on the desktop. Each model provides ergonomic benefits that are ideal for people who suffer from repetitive stress injuries like carpal tunnel syndrome. Ergonomist Ian Chong has documented studies that prove the effectiveness of trackballs in reducing these injuries. Since trackballs require far less hand and wrist movement, some users have said their pain went away almost immediately. Kensington also offers the ultimate in customization with our Trackball Works software. Trackball Works is a free download from the Kensington website, allowing you to make your trackball your own. You can change settings like the scrolling speed or scrolling direction. You can also program the buttons to perform a variety of common functions, such as copy and paste, undo, redo, or zoom in and zoom out. So if you're looking to increase your productivity or might be having ergonomic issues because of your mouse, look no further than the Kensington line of trackballs. To learn more, visit kensington.com.
You